Okay, so for this one, we might have to do a little bit more work to figure out the area. So first what I need to find is I need to find a height. Well, if this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle, well, what I can find out here is that since this is 8, this must also be 8, which makes this 6. And since this is a special right triangle, I know my height is 6. So all I have to do is plug in these pieces now to my area formula. It's 1/2 times the height times base 1 plus base 2. So area is equal to 1/2 times 6, which I found as my height, and this is 8 plus 14. So from here, my area ends up being 66, and this is millimeters squared.